Hello guys, I Arvind Mahatra. I am back with another interesting interview question on Power BI. This question being asked by Deloitte. So let's jump into the today's question. So the question is, we have two table. That is, one is master product and the child product table. So the requirement is to find the record. Those are not present in child table but present in the master table. So I'll explain it in the data itself. So basically we have a child table where the product name, brand, price and quantity, these are the four columns are there in that particular table, and P1, P2, P3, P4, these are the four columns that present in the child table. So and there we have another table, that is master table. In that master table, along with the whatever the records are there in the child table, along with these records, plus there are two additional records that has been there, P5 and the P6. Columns are identical columns, whatever the columns are present in the child table, the same columns are there in the master table. So the ask is basically, so we have to find out the records those are not present in the child table but it's present in the master table. So basically we can do it in the two ways. First, what I will do is I will show you, I will try to explain you in the by creating by creating the merge of these two table. So let's go to a table here. So this is the ask. So what we will do is we will go to the transport data and we will click on the transport data, and then we have two table. And what I will do is here we will create a merge queries as a new. So we will merge these two table, master and the child. So here I will take the primary key as a product name for the other table, and here the ask is we have to find out that the record those are not present in the child table but it's there in the master table. So you have to select child here. So we'll use the left anti-join. So left anti-join, it will be similar to the PySpark. In the PySpark we have a left anti-join, so it will be similar to that one, a row only in the first table. So it will fetch the record. Those records are present only in the first table, that are not present in the second table. That means it will fetch the record of P5 and P6. Those two records are not present in the child table. So if you will click on this one, then it will create a table where this P5 and P6, these two records are coming. So this is basically by the help of this transport data. But what we can do is we have another option to do it, but the ask is to do it by the help of the DAX function. So I'll just close and apply, and I will close it. So what I will do is here, so we'll go to the modeling and we will create a new table by the help of the DAX. So here we will create a table by the help of the DAX function. We have a function called accept. So here what I will do is it will return the rows of left side table which don't appear in the right side table. We have the similar requirement also. So left side table is our master table and right side table is our child table. So let's close it, and what I will do is we will just mention the required underscore table underscore DAX. So I'll just click OK. Then we will go to the table view. So now if we will go to the required table underscore DAX, so it's fetching the similar result, that P5 and P6. So these two records are not present in the in the child table, but they are present in the master table. So what these two particular records are present in the left side of the table and that are not present in the right side of the table. So it will basically whatever the common tables, so whatever the common records are there, it will be removed, and whatever the records are there only they are only present in the left side of the table, it will fetch these records only in the output. So this is that there are two ways to get the result. I will share all this PBX file along with the raw data, along with all the Excel in the description of this video. If you feel that it will help, if this video will help to you, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.